All right, so I have an egg slicer right here, and I'm going to show you how I slice an egg with an egg slicer. Sometimes I put it that way. I've been known to put it that way if you want to slice it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and do it like this. Place the egg slicer, the egg inside of the slicer like that, and then I'm going to slowly bring this part up, and then I'm going to slice the egg. There's a little bit of piece of egg got caught on there. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to slowly go through the egg like that. You see it kind of peers the egg a little bit. Now, if you want a clean cut, you can go a little bit faster, but I'm going to go all the way through like that. You can see right there, it's sliced it nicely all the way through the egg, just like that. All right, and when you're done, don't raise it up, just take the egg. You can either pick it up like this, or you can pour it onto what you're going to do. I'm going to actually pick it up. I'm going to close it like this. And then I'm going to place it on top of my salad that I have right here. I'm going to try to get it a little bit closer so you can see it. I'm going to just take it like this and slice it like that. All right. That's the egg slicer. I hope this was helpful.